the second question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is the hardest set of reading and writing questions. We know it's a sentence completion based on what the question's asking. You always read that question first. And one strategy is what comes after the punctuation. You get punctuation after the blank, and that's going to tell you what goes blank. Notice it says, they praise, sang, creatively transformed, dynamic, exhibit. The best answer here is going to be inventive. Restrained or held back. Nothing was held back. It went all out. You can explain it. Inexplicable means unable to be explained. And mystifying is like bewildering, and it's not like confusing like that. See the blank video. Check us out on YouTube. Videos above this on the playlist. And have a great day.